Before getting started, you'll want to make sure you have these materials on hand. Begin by positioning the motor vertically and remove the motor cover. Then, remove the oil filler cap. Now, with an oil drain pan in position to catch the drained oil, remove the engine oil drain plug and gasket. Then let the engine oil drain. When the oil is finished draining, secure the engine oil drain plug with a new gasket. To change the oil filter, first you'll need to remove the port side cover. Loosen and remove the old oil filter by turning it counterclockwise. You may need a special tool to do this. Now, after rubbing a little oil on the O-ring, install the new filter. Using a funnel to prevent spilling, add the recommended amount of X-Star Suzuki Marine engine oil. When finished filling with oil, check the oil level. Then, wait 2 minutes and check it again. When finished filling with oil, re-secure the oil filler cap.